today, and it's
Oh, what a big ass.
Oh, I'm so big.
It's fine.
It's been okay. One second. Nick, you really freaking annoying me.
Alright, hey guys, so we're starting the vlog off today in the car, which is not a place that we usually start vlogs in, so I thought I would switch it up today a bit. But today we have some very exciting news. Guess what is leaving today? Look at both of us, and then look at the ugliest thing on our face.
And the thing that we've probably been complaining about every single video for the last 2 months.
No, we're not getting lip injections. We are getting haircuts. Woo!
I've honestly had a freaking enough of my hair. The lack of confidence it brings you.
Yeah, we always feel so much better when we get haircuts, and because of Miss Rona, we haven't been able to get one because everywhere is freaking booked up. But we found really awesome guys today that are willing to cut our hair, so we're gonna go do that today. Woo!
I'll tell you what, like this quarantine thing is mucked with like confidence levels, social like anxiety levels, and just everything.
Yeah, if quarantine has also done you guys rough, comment down below, but it has done us so rough. I don't think our mental health has ever been this bad. But anyways, so that's why you always have to treat yourself, especially during these times with like haircuts so you look good, and ice cream. That's what we're doing today. Yeah, let us know if quarantine has fucked you up, guys. Alright, hey guys, so we are currently back from getting our haircuts. Basically, I didn't film any of it because right now with like coronavirus, a lot of places are pretty strict on filming. But my guy did a really good job. As y'all can tell, my fade looks really good. But honestly, it's probably my fault for telling him go short or go home. In retrospect, I shouldn't have probably said that. Anyways, so the top of my head is a little bit too short for my liking. So I'm gonna be wearing a hat until it grows back. It's not his fault, it's because I literally said go short or go home, so I'm not gonna be saying that again. Yes guys, so I'm back home now, and today's video is actually gonna be a really fun one. While I was on our way to get our haircut, I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw Hello Langie do a video where basically she like does weird sounds while her boyfriend is on the phone. And by weird sounds, I think we all know what I mean. Moaning. And earlier this morning, I don't know if y'all saw an Ant's vlog, but pretty much he was missing his family a lot, so he's gonna be calling his family members all day. And on top of that, he has clients to call as well. He's doing a lot of phone calls today. What better day than to fuck with all his calls and moan in the background? Right? There's no better day. Alright guys, so our first stop is going to be the grocery store. So Anthony has to get some milk at the grocery store, and I said I would come along because I want to do this prank on him in the car. And at some point today, he will be FaceTiming his mom. So that's gonna be really exciting. Let me know in the comments if you think he's gonna react well, yes or no. If y'all guessed correctly, I will go follow you, by the way. So wait till the end of the video. What do y'all think? Will he freak out or not? Let me know down below. Alright guys, so a little update. So we just went out to get some milk. Well, Anthony went out to get some milk because I guess he needs milk. So 2018 joke, I know. Anthony went in the shop, as y'all just saw. Basically, I'm gonna set this whole thing up right now. I'm currently texting Anthony's sister so that she can call him in about 5 minutes. When he's gonna come in, he's gonna be talking to his sister on the phone, and I'm just gonna be moaning away. And the best part is this is a prank on Anthony and his sister right now because she has no idea why I asked him to call him. I just told her that he wanted to talk to you, so that should be really interesting to see how their conversation goes. Also guys, I told him to get me a chocolate bar in there. So when he comes out with my chocolate bar, I'm just gonna be like devouring it in front of him. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie, like whether this camera was on or not, chocolate makes me moan. Either way, it works for the prank. So let's set this camera up because I have no idea how to actually do it right now. And then let's just wait for him to come back into the car. Guys, he's back. Hey. Guys,
yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Give me 5 minutes. This looks so good. Alright, 5. Oh, fuck. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so good. Oh, bitch. Shit. What? Oh, I totally forgot you're on phone with her. Yeah. Sorry, it's really good. What? No, I literally didn't know either. Oh, wait, I'm sorry, but. Oh my god, chill. Don't get chocolate in my car, please. okay? So I was enjoying it a little bit too much. Oh my gosh, so good.
Oh god. Oh fuck.
Shush! No! Be down! Stop being annoying. One sec, I'm gonna ring you back when I get home, okay? Alright, bye. Love you. Bye. Idiot.
I'm
Idiot.
so sorry, that was so good.
Can I have a bite? That's so good. Holy shit, Canada's roads are screwed.
Oh my god. Okay, anyway.
Hi guys.
Okay, that was super awkward. So basically,
Yeah, now my sister thinks we're doing it in the car. Haha, it's not.
Oh,
even
is
a
that what
prank.
she said?
Yeah, she was like, "You guys okay?"
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. That
Actually-
chocolate bar just always gets me turned on.
I
You know that. You know I always know when I eat chocolate.
By the way, why do McDonald's make the freaking drive-thrus so compact? Like I'm squeezing in like a.
Oh yeah, by the way guys, we're at McDonald's because they're doing $1 iced coffees. And we are gays, so we have to have our iced coffee,
We're not.
honestly.
We don't buy materialistic things. It's just this guy was like, "Oh, can we go to McDonald's?" And I'm like, "Yeah," and he's like, "Oh, thank God."
Sorry, I mean, food is just my automatic turn on, and especially iced coffee.
My hair, by the way, I think it looks alright.
It looks cute.
Thank you, babe.
Thanks.
Do you not
Let's
like
get
yours? Are you
iced
wearing a
coffee.
hat for a reason?
No, I told them already, but the top is just a bit too short at the minute. But I'm waiting for it to grow. But my
God,
sides
you
are
can't
really
win. It's a bit too short. It's a bit too long. You're like, what are you kind of?
Oh my god, wait, order, quickly. Alright babes, after Aunt struggled to talk French to the girls, we got our iced coffee. Let's do a taste test of the $1 iced coffee. Oh bitch. Oh fuck, that's really good. Alright guys, now we're on our way back home. Hold on.
One more. Give me one more.
Oh my god. Fun fact, if y'all follow me on Instagram and y'all ever see me with food, people always comment on how I just moan when there's food. It's a thing that I do. I can't control myself.
Someone out there make a compilation of Nick's moans while he's at a restaurant. I bet there'll be so much.
There are a lot of moons. It could be like an hour-long video. Alright guys, so it's a little bit later into the day now, and pretty much Anthony is currently upstairs on the phone with his client. So literally, I'm gonna feel so bad doing this. I made sure to ask him though if him and his client are quite close, and apparently they are. It's not like he's gonna lose out on a business opportunity because of this. They're currently having a call upstairs. I'm just gonna walk into that room, and I'm just gonna go on the bed and do some inappropriate noises and see how he reacts. Very straightforward, simple. It's great, we love it. Because honestly, his sister's reaction wasn't good enough. It was his sister. He didn't get that mad. Okay, but a client? Let's see what happens. Let's go upstairs.
Yeah, it's been down since last night, so yeah, one sec. 10 PM yesterday, and then about 10 other emails came in today. Like message, and also it has one where the internet's down.
Ooh, I look hot as fuck.
No, my, yeah.
Ooh, wow, I'm really...
Yeah, I mean it's been all day right now, and also since 10 PM all today, and it's 3
Oh, what
PM
a
now, so
big
it's been,
ass.
It's been over a day already. Well, almost.
Oh my god, such a thick
Nick,
ass.
shut the hell up, okay? Please, baby, please.
Sorry, I was thinking.
No, it's not. It's
and I
not
was, like,
actually
really
funny.
into
It's
it.
not actually funny. No, I'm still here. Alright, just give me 1 sec. Fuck's sake. Nick, I've got a really bad issue right now with everything.
Yeah?
My training platform's crashed. I'm trying to fix it right now. It's been down for over a day, and no one can access their plans. So I'm trying to fix it, and you're to be in a dick in the background.
You can go pretend I'm not here. I'm just gonna be doing some selfies for Instagram. Okay, just try to ignore me. I'm sorry. I'll try to make less noise.
Yeah, no, I still haven't. No, I can't log in at all. So, thank you. Yeah, it's the weekend as well, which it obviously doesn't make it either.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so big. Oh, that's so big.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
It's actually really
Thank you, mate.
big.
See you later. Bye. Bye.
Oh, I'm so big.
Fuck off. Honestly, I've just had to...
Oh, did you hear that through your headphones?
No, did I hear that through my headphones? Yes, you're fucking right next to me, Nick.
I'm sorry. It's okay, I know you have one more call, so just go for it.
Just not distract me in this one.
Okay, I'm not gonna distract you. Pretend I'm not here. Literally, just keep taking a few more selfies, that's it, okay? I'm just editing stuff, so you won't even be hearing me.
Hey man, how you doing? Good to hear from you as well. How's your week been?
Can't get reception. Get with the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I've got everything noted down, so
why is the
yeah,
Wi-Fi so
hopefully by
hard?
Monday as well it'll be back up. Like, it's probably gonna be back up again today. See the changes, but like as for right now, I can still update it all, but obviously
I got the Wi-Fi.
You won't be able to see it until
That was stressful.
Where's the Wi-Fi? It's been okay. One second. Nick, I'm gonna
Sorry,
check out
you
in a
scared
second. You're really freaking annoying me, okay?
Sorry, I'm trying to get the Wi-Fi. I don't know where it is.
It's not finding what's up there, okay?
I think this prank went a little too far. I want to tell him it's a prank, but he's gone and he's pissed. So I might need to wait for him to get off his phone call. I don't know how important that call was. He told me it wasn't really that important, that's why I did it. But he seems really pissed, so... Hey, how are you? Why are you mad?
You're ridiculous.
What did I do?
I just want some peace and quiet and just so I can get on with my work, and then you're there pissing about.
Come back! I have to tell you something. Come here. Come here. Do you know what this video is?
Yeah, my annoying boyfriend is annoying.
Close! Every time he's on a phone call, I'm gonna do weird noises. What did the guy say on behind the phone?
What do you mean, what did he say?
Did he hear my noises?
No,
Oh.
it was just embarrassing for me.
Oh, then that's fine. Anyways, guys, so y'all commented that he would be pissed. Y'all are fucking right. He's pissed off. So if y'all commented that down below, I'm gonna go follow you. Also, guys, let me know at this point, are y'all hashtag team top or team bottom? I know he did a really good prank on me last week, but does this one top it? Let me know down below. Also, guys, if y'all want to follow from both me and Ant over here, all you have to do is hit the bell, subscribe, and comment down below. The notification squad, shout out if y'all do all three of those things. We're gonna go follow you, and we're gonna get into it with a smile, aren't we? Alright, bye.